While most academic conferences begin with individual abstract submissions, sometimes you might need to group abstracts together, which is what our symposium bolt-on is designed for. A symposium can be loosely explained as a mini-conference within a conference. Sometimes they're called panels, workshops, sessions, or roundtables. Along with workshops and breakouts, symposia can take place as part of a conference or could be the format of the entire event. Oxford Abstracts has developed the symposium tool to be highly flexible in terms of requirements and offers a range of options for collecting, reviewing and deciding on submissions. You can choose from flexible symposium options such as admin only, so only the conference administrator can create a symposium to which anyone can attach an abstract. Public, where anyone could submit a symposium and anyone can attach their abstract submission to a symposium. And private, where anyone can submit a symposium but they can only attach an abstract to one of their own symposia or a symposium to which they have been invited. You can create customizable forms to handle all your symposium requirements. And you can attach submissions and invite users. The symposium bolt-on can sit alongside the standard abstract management process, so abstracts can either be reviewed as part of a symposium or individually. There is a range of tools and features that can help you get to grips with the symposium administration, and the bolt-on integrates seamlessly with any of the Oxford Abstract packages, which include delegate registration, multi-stage and the virtual programme. So why not get in touch and start your free trial today? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our video.